Welcome back to Cheese Kitchen. Today I'm going to make spicy Vazhakka fry or spicy plantain fry. This is a really delicious side dish, or even you can use this as a snack if you deep fry this. So now let's see how to make spicy Vazhakka or plantain fry. First, in a bowl I'm adding 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of sambar powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix everything together. You don't have to add any water. You just need a very thick paste. Now I'm adding the sliced raw plantain or raw banana. Mix really well till everything is coated with the masala. Now you can deep fry this or you can pan fry it. It's up to you. And also you don't have to marinate this for a long time, because if you marinate it for a long time it will drip water. So it's better not to marinate it at all and do it immediately. Now in a dosa pan I've added oil and I'm going to place all the pieces of plantain. It takes about a minute on each side. Just light browning is required. So yes guys, spicy Vazhakka fry or plantain fry is ready. Hope you guys try it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care everyone. Bye bye.